These might look like ordinary peanut butter cookies, but hidden inside every single one of them is a sweet surprise that takes them from good to absolutely irresistible. And the best part, they're incredibly easy to make. So let me show you how. Hi friends, if you're new here, thanks for stopping by Everyday Eats with Ellen. Today, we're going to show you how to make these peanut butter cookies with a sweet surprise in the middle, topped with chocolate. Okay, to make the cookie dough, we're going to take a cup of peanut butter. I like to use creamy peanut butter. Then we're going to add a half a cup of softened butter, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar. We're going to mix these together. Then we're going to add our 2 eggs one at a time. And then after our eggs, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of milk. It's always a good idea to have a spatula on hand so you can scrape the side of the bowl and make sure everything is getting incorporated. For our dry ingredients, we're going to sift together 1 cup of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we have to add our dry ingredients, our flour mixture that we sifted together. We're going to add that and now mix. After our cookie dough is prepared, we're going to take our little scoop or a tablespoon and we're going to put a scoop of it into a well-greased muffin tin. And then with the back of the scoop, we're just going to kind of pat it down into the pan. We're going to place this in an oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until the cookies are golden. Now that the cookies are in baking in the muffin tins, we're going to make that really creamy, delicious filling. What we've done is we've added 4 ounces of softened cream cheese and 3/4 cup of peanut butter. Next to the peanut butter and to the cream cheese, we're going to add 3/4 cup of brown sugar that's packed together. And now we're going to gently mix this together. This is one of my family's favorites. They were so surprised the first time they tried these peanut butter cookies that they had this creamy filling inside. It's almost like a peanut butter cup. So this filling is going to be piped into the cookies. As you can see, it wasn't too pipeable. So I added just a tablespoon of cream, and that looks like it did the trick. I've taken a decorator's bag, but if you don't have any of that at home, it's okay to use like one of the resealable plastic bags and then cut off the little tip like we're going to do here, and it will be all ready to start piping. All right, so our cookies have just come out of the oven, and it's really important that you take like a cookie scoop, a melon baller, make this indentation in the cookies while they're still warm. And this is where that beautiful, yummy filling is going to go. Okay, to make the chocolate glaze that goes over cookies, we're going to take about 1/4 cup of cream and we're going to add about a tablespoon of corn syrup. And then I'm going to put this in the microwave for it to get hot. Hot cream and the syrup mixture comes out of the microwave. Pour it over the chocolate chips for a second and let it just sit for, this has been about a minute. And you can see that hot cream is melting the chocolate chips, but we have to mix it all up really, really good so we don't have any chunks. This is where the magic happens. Our peanut butter cups have cooled, so now it's time to add the creamy peanut butter filling. Fill each cookie cup right up to the top. The more peanut butter, the better. Just look at that creamy center. Once they're all filled, the next step will be to top them with the smooth chocolate mixture and then turn these into the ultimate peanut butter lover's dessert. Let's take a bite and see how they turned out. Those are delicious. I hope you enjoyed our video today. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you next time on Everyday Eats with Ellen.